DIY Face Moisturizer, Essential Ingredients for Moisturized Skin. Title: DIY Face Moisturizer, Essential Ingredients for Moisturized Skin. Introduction: 100 words. Maintaining healthy, moisturized skin is an essential part of any beauty routine. While there is a wide range of store-bought face moisturizers available, many people are now opting for DIY options. Creating your own face moisturizer allows you to have control over the ingredients and tailor it to your specific skin type. In this article, we will explore some essential ingredients for a DIY face moisturizer that will keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, these ingredients can be easily sourced and mixed to create a nourishing and effective moisturizer. 1. Jojoba oil, 150 words. One of the most versatile and widely used ingredients in DIY face moisturizers is jojoba oil. It closely resembles the natural oils produced by our skin, making it an excellent choice for all skin types. Jojoba oil is non-greasy and easily absorbed, making it ideal for moisturizing without clogging pores. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated skin. 2. Shea butter, 150 words. Shea butter is a well-known moisturizing ingredient that is often used in DIY skincare products. Derived from the nuts of the shea tree, it is rich in fatty acids and vitamins, providing deep nourishment to the skin. Shea butter is particularly beneficial for dry or aging skin, as it helps retain moisture and improve elasticity. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can reduce redness and protect the skin from environmental damage. 3. Aloe vera gel, 150 words. Aloe vera gel is a natural ingredient with numerous benefits for the skin. It is deeply hydrating and aids in maintaining the skin's moisture balance. Aloe vera gel is particularly suitable for oily or acne-prone skin, as it helps control excess oil and soothes inflammation. It also contains antioxidants that can help decrease the signs of aging and promote a healthy complexion. 4. Rosehip seed oil, 150 words. Rosehip seed oil is derived from the seeds of wild rose bushes. It is rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to any DIY face moisturizer. This lightweight oil is easily absorbed by the skin and helps improve elasticity and firmness. It also has regenerative properties that can assist in reducing the appearance of scars and fine lines. Rosehip seed oil is suitable for all skin types, but it is particularly beneficial for dry or mature skin due to its intense hydrating abilities. 5. Honey, 150 words. Honey has been used for centuries in skincare due to its antibacterial and moisturizing properties. It is packed with antioxidants, which help nourish and protect the skin against environmental damage. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, making it an excellent ingredient for a DIY face moisturizer. It is especially helpful for dry or sensitive skin, as it soothes irritation and promotes a healthy, radiant complexion. 6. Vitamin E Oil, 150 words. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that is commonly used in DIY face moisturizers. It helps protect the skin against damage caused by free radicals and environmental stresses. Vitamin E oil also has moisturizing properties that can help hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft and supple. It is particularly beneficial for dry or mature skin, as it can help improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The oil is easily absorbed by the skin, and its soothing effects make it suitable for sensitive and irritated skin as well. 7. Lavender Essential Oil, 150 words. Lavender essential oil is not only known for its relaxing aroma, but also its skin-nourishing properties. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it beneficial for acne-prone or sensitive skin. Lavender oil can help calm and soothe the skin, reducing redness and irritation. It also provides additional moisturizing benefits, leaving the skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. Additionally, lavender oil has been found to promote skin cell regeneration, which can help improve the overall appearance and texture of the skin. 8. Chamomile Extract, 150 words. Chamomile extract is a gentle and calming ingredient that is often used in DIY face moisturizers. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and reduce skin irritations, such as redness or rashes. Chamomile extract is also known for its antioxidant effects, which can protect the skin from oxidative stress and signs of aging. It is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive or dry skin. The extract can provide hydration and moisture, leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. Additionally, chamomile has a soothing scent that can help relax and calm the mind, making it a pleasant addition to your DIY skincare routine. 9. Green tea extract, 150 words. Green tea extract is packed with antioxidants that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for skin conditions such as acne or rosacea. Green tea extract can help reduce redness and soothe irritated skin. It is also known to have a brightening effect, promoting a more vibrant and even skin tone. The extract is suitable for all skin types, including oily or combination skin, as it can help control excess oil production. It provides hydration to the skin, without leaving a greasy or heavy feeling. Incorporating green tea extract into your DIY face moisturizer can offer multiple benefits for a healthy and radiant complexion. 10. Geranium Essential Oil, 150 words. Geranium essential oil is a fragrant oil that is commonly used in skincare products. It has astringent properties that can help tighten and tone the skin, making it beneficial for aging or sagging skin. Geranium oil also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory effects, which can promote a clearer complexion and soothe skin irritations. The oil is easily absorbed by the skin, providing intense hydration and moisture. It balances the skin's natural oil production, making it suitable for both dry and oily skin types. Additionally, geranium oil has a pleasant floral scent that can uplift your mood and enhance your skincare experience. 11. Coconut oil, 150 words. Coconut oil is a popular ingredient in DIY skincare products, including face moisturizers. It is known for its deep moisturizing properties and ability to penetrate the skin quickly. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that help nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it soft and supple.